Hello developer, if you are a beginner or 1 to 3 year of experience, this video might be the turning point in your career. I spent year watching tutorial, feel productive, but when it come to build something alone, I froze. Then I changed one thing in my learning approach and everything changed. Today I will show you the exact system you can break out of tutorial hell for good. Here is why most developers get stuck. Tutorial give you the illusion of progress. You follow step by step, but your brain stay positive. You never build problem solving muscles. So when you open blank project, your mind goes blank too. It is not because you are not smart, it is because tutorial train you to follow, not think. And the system I am going to share that forces your brain to active learning. Step 1. Learn just enough. Stop trying to master everything before starting. Use tutorial only to understand core concept, project structure, how tool works. Your goal is not to finish tutorial. Your goal is to start building. Step 2. The 70% rule. When you understand about 60 to 70%, stop tutorial. Now start building the same project without tutorial. You will struggle, you will Google, you will make mistakes. That is the struggle where the actual learning happens. Confidence is built through solving problem, not watching solutions. Step 3. Build small real project. Instead of big complex app, build small practical tools like task tracker, API dashboard, mini authentication system, crude app with real validation. This simulate real job work which build real confidence. Step 4. Document your learning. After every project, write this. What I struggled with. What I learned. This turns experience into long-term learning. Step 5. Teach or share. The fastest way to gain confidence is explain concept. Post on LinkedIn, record short videos, write simple note. Teaching forces clarity and clarity build confidence. And this step alone can make you stand out in interview. Let's take a real life scenario. Developer A watched 50 tutorial but built nothing alone. Developer B watched fewer tutorial but built 5 project independently. Now ask yourself in interview who explain problem better, who look more confident, who can explain in much better way. Absolutely, always developer B, because company don't pay for knowledge, they pay for problem solving. Let's simplify the system. Learn just enough, stop tutorial early, build independently, reflect on mistakes, teach what you learn. Follow this for 90 days and your confidence will be skyrocket. And if this video help you, please comment below. I am done with tutorial. And if you want more video like this, please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.